So what are we trying to understand? We are trying to understand the logic between the oversubscription pro rata allotment. Okay. Now in pro rata allotment, the logic is that based on the number of people who have over applied, let's say in this question, the one that we are discussing, we are giving shares to, or we have like shares available for issue is 10,000, but we are getting applications worth 12,000. Okay. Now in this scenario, I am getting money, this much money, like let's say for example, how much is the application money? 4 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then this much money I'm getting, equivalent
Yes.
to 48,000. But technically I should have gotten this much money. Yes.
Yes.
So then what am I doing with this extra money during pro rata allotment? The assumption is that this extra money will be kept with us, like will not return it. Like in the earlier section of rejection, we saw that we rejected it outright. This 8,000 was paid back to the people outright, but here will not return it. Why? Because we are assuming that one person is not applying for one share. One person is applying for various number of shares, but we are giving him some less. Let's say, for example, if we consider this ratio, we have to consider this ratio also, this ratio, these two ratios. Meaning that this ratio is how much? 10 is to 12, which is equal to 1 is to 2. है ना? No, my bad, not 1 is to 2. 2 5s are 10, 5 is to 6, right? Meaning that for every 6 shares, if somebody has applied, I'm giving him 5 shares. Yes, that is the idea. So let's say, for example, if somebody has applied for 500 shares, sorry, somebody has applied for 600 shares, he will get how many shares? 500 shares. तो ये एक्स्ट्रा 100 रुपीज, ये एक्स्ट्रा 100 शेयर्स के पैसे तो हमारे पास ही रह गए अभी. This extra 100 shares money we will keep with ourselves. Yes. What will we do by keeping this? We will adjust it. We will transfer it to the next stage, which is the allotment stage. ठीक है. और इफ अलॉटमेंट में भी नहीं हुआ तो अलॉटमेंट से हम लोग उसको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे ये अलॉटमेंट एंड कॉल्स. इफ इट इज अ बिग मनी that cannot be adjusted in allotment, then we will transfer it to calls. Okay? Yeah. So depending on the scenario, okay, if the money can be adjusted during allotment itself, we'll end it there. But if the money is too large, which cannot be adjusted or absorbed within allotment, then we'll transfer it to call. Yes. Okay? You get the logic here, right? Now, how will we do it? The process, very simple process. That while collect, yeah, tell me.
So you said if the money is too big, what does that mean?
Meaning that the money due during allotment is, let's say, we have some fixed amount of money that we asked during allotment, right?
Yeah.
Let's say in this scenario, in this scenario, we are asking, let's hypothetically assume 40,000 during allotment.
Okay.
But extra money, the extra money that we have from this person, the extra money is worth 50,000. ठीक है, मतलब उस बंदे का 50,000 हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा पड़ा हुआ है. बट अलॉटमेंट में सिर्फ 40,000 ही चाहिए. Not in this question, not in this question, in a different question. Let's say I'm explaining the scenario. That extra money that I have of a person is 50,000, but during the allotment I only need 40,000, or the asking is only of 40,000, the due is only of 40,000. Okay. That means that I will not be able to use all the extra money during allotment. फिर भी 10,000 extra रह जा रहा है. That extra 10,000 will be used in calls.
But then calls also has the fixed amount, right?
हाँ. तो then
So-
वो अगर वो भी वहां पे भी absorb नहीं हुआ तो return.
Okay.
If it is not getting absorbed in calls also, that the money is so big that it's not getting absorbed in the calls also, will return that money. Bank. We'll do a question. Abhi we'll do a question and we'll see that. Okay. So now in this question, let's get back to this question. This was the entire logic. We'll see it part by part, various situations. So the basic is this, that we were supposed to collect 40,000, but we have collected 48,000. The extra money will be kept with us and will be used in the allotment. Okay. How will we do that? The journal entries would be something of this sort. First journal entry will be bank, simple, bank account, debit to share application, 48,000, 48,000. ठीक है, यहां तक simple है. Don't write it, look at it first. Second entry will be the segregation, कि अलग अलग अकाउंट्स में सेंड करेंगे वो एप्लीकेशन के पैसे, है ना. तो यहाँ पे शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट to first of all share capital. Share capital money is directly 40,000, so it will be sent directly to 40,000 to share capital account.
Yes.
This will be 48,000. Whatever we have collected during the application phase will be directly put in.
Yeah.
Okay. And the extra money will be transferred to the share allotment account. This is how we will do it. Do the adjustment. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what does this indicate? That we already have 8,000 in the share allotment account. Do remember that this is an advance. We already have 8,000 in the share allotment account. Meaning that during the allotment stage, we will get 8,000 less. अगर पहले जैसे अभी I gave you that example of the adjustment in the shop, right? That if I go into the shop and buy goods worth 300 and give him a note of 500, he doesn't have a change, so he tells me ki we will adjust it later. So this 200 is due for adjustment extra that the shopkeeper has. Next time you go into a shop, you buy goods worth 700 and you pay him only 500. Why? Because this is getting adjusted with the transaction, with the old dues are now being adjusted here. So same scenario here also. Okay, यहाँ पे I have collected 8,000 extra, which I am transferring to the next stage, allotment stage, right? Yeah. Meaning that I already have 8,000 of my shareholders' money extra with me.
Yes.
So when the allotment stage happens and I am asking my shareholders to give me money, I will adjust this old money that I already have, this old advance that I already have. Right. So then this next set of transaction will be in the allotment. Pehle to the first situation will be the same. Share allotment account debit to share cap account. Kitna, how much will it be? 3 है ना, the question में 3 है ना, तो 30,000. 30,000. Okay, this will be same, but in the bank account I will get less. I don't need 30,000 because I already have their money with me. That's it.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Take a few minutes. Tell me if you understand the whole scenario. Nothing is just adjustment of advances. एडवांस पैसे ले लिए हमने कुछ, उसको वापस लौटाने के बजाय हमने अपने पास रख लिया एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेज में उसको एडजस्ट कर दिया. Done.
Yeah, I've understood it.
This is one question from the practice question number 9, right?
Yeah, practice question number
Question number 9. So tell me, read this question and tell me if you can solve this question by yourself or not.
Okay. This is on 1st April 2018, A Limited purchased a machine for 2,40,000 and spent 10,000 on its erection. On 1st October 2018, an additional machinery costing 1 lakh was purchased. On 1st October 2020, the machine purchased 1st April 2018 was sold for 143,000. Machine was purchased. On 1st April 2018, we purchased a machine for 240,000. 10,000 on its First April 2018, sold by this question I think I will first I will try this question. If
Have you
not
done this
getting,
question? Have you done this question before?
Yeah, not sure. I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay. But will you be able to solve this question?
Yeah, I will try, sir. I will try. Yeah. First, we'll try to solve by
No.
on my own.
No, that is fine. But do you have any doubts? Can you explain what are the parts of this question?
Okay. That's it.
What will you do first? What are they asking you to do first?
Yes, first in this okay. In this question, in this question they said that on 1st April 2018, A Limited company purchased a machine of 2,40,000, and they have spent 10,000 on its erection. That means they have spent 10,000 on its erection. On
No, what is it that we will do? What account or what will we do? What are they asking us to do?
Okay. So they are asking us to prepare the machinery account for first four financial years.
Okay. In that scenario, we will start making the machinery ledger. Yes.
Ledger.
Machinery account means what?
Yes, machinery account means yeah, we will first prepare journal ledger.
Ledger, no? What is the format of the ledger?
Date, particulars, ledger for year, amount.
Very nice. Date, and again, repeat it again. Debit, credit side. Very nice.
Yes, debit, credit.
Okay. Now, what is the nature of the account? Machinery account nature is what?
Asset.
Asset. Meaning that when we buy the asset, it will be on the debit side. If we sell the asset, it will be on the credit side. Yes. Or if the
Yes.
value of the asset increases, debit, value of asset decreases, credit. Okay.
Yes.
This is
Correct.
fine. So
Fine.
then now tell me what will be the first entry. So prepare the account, prepare the format quickly in your book.
Yes.
Quickly. Within 1 minute, you should be ready with the format.
Yes. This is. Yes. Okay.
Time has already started. Done.
Just a second. So, almost done. Done, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the first entry that you will write and on which side?
First, we will write the 1st April 2018 to bank account 2,40,000.
Very nice. Do it. What about this extra 10,000 spent on erection?
That way, it will be added to the 2,40,000. So, total will be 2,50,000.
Right. So write it quickly.
Lakh 50,000. Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
And now, yes, sir.
Okay. Then
And
what will you do?
then we will multiply this 2,50,000 into 10. But we will
No.
calculate the depreciation.
Which entry you will pass? First, pass the entries. Then you can calculate depreciation later. What will be the next entry?
Next entry would be
Don't refer to your notes.
no, sir. It's textbook. I'm taking my textbook here.
No need to take the textbook. Question is on the screen, no? Look at the screen and do it.
Sir, but
Refer to the screen. You are able to see it clearly, no, on the screen.
Sir, there is clearly means sir, this what will say
Tell me what will be the next entry in the machine account.
now same entry to bank account second mes
Which
study
date?
1 lakh.
Which date?
1st October 2018.
Okay. So write the entry 1st October 2018.
Done.
Okay. Now
Yes.
tell me, when is the depreciation on the asset charged? When is the depreciation on an asset charged?
Sir, when
the depreciation on an asset is charged 2 times or in 2 situations. First, at the end of the year, meaning on 31st March, and second, when the asset is getting sold. Only in these 2 scenarios can we charge the depreciation on the asset. Is it okay?
Yes. Okay.
Write it down. That I have made you write this earlier also. You can refer to that, or I will want you to write it again. That depreciation on asset can only be charged in 2 situations or 2 conditions.
When depreciation.
No, not when. Depreciation on an asset
Depreciation
on an asset
an asset
can only be charged
can only be charged
in 2 situations.
in 2 situations.
Point number one, when we are selling the asset.
Unable to hear you, sir.
Point number one, when we are selling the asset.
Sir, could you repeat it?
I'll repeat it one more time. Situation one, when we are selling the asset.
Situation one, when we are
Selling the asset.
selling the asset.
Point number two, at the end of the year. At the end of the year. Fine. So do remember that these are the only 2 situations when you can charge the depreciation on the asset. Now, in this year, in the current year which we are right now, which year are we right now doing this question, in which year? What is the financial year of this question?
First April 2018 and 1st October 2018.
So what is the year? The financial year is what? 1st April 2000. No. Only the first year. First financial year is what? There are four financial years, no? In this question, they have asked you to do the accounts of 4 financial years. Yes?
Yes.
What is the first financial year? Starting from, ending when?
First year.
What is the first? What is the in general?
First April 2018.
In general, from where do we start the financial year and end of the financial year?
Unable to hear you.
Hello.
Unable to hear you, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. When is the financial year starting and when is it ending? Hello.
Sir, hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
My question is very simple. In general, when does the financial year start and end? Forget this question for a minute. What is the starting point and the ending point of a financial year?
Starting point of the year is 1st April.
And ending?
Ending is 31st March.
Yes. Very nice. So one financial year starts from 1st April and ends at 31st March. Perfect. In this question, when is the first financial year starting and ending?
Okay. Here, first starting year is 1st April 2018.
Very nice. And ending?
Ending is Same date.
No. In the question, you will not find it. You have to think about it by yourself.
Okay.
If
First,
if the
first,
year is starting on 1st April 2018, it will end on what date?
1st October 2020.
Again, what is the starting point of a year and ending point of a year? Tell me. What is the starting point of a year and ending point of the year?
Starting point is 1st April 2018.
So ending will be?
Ending will be 31st March
2000?
2022. Sorry.
Only the
2021.
first year I'm asking. If one year is
2019.
starting in, yes, if the first year is starting in 1st April 2018, then one year will be 31st March 2019. Fine. 31st March 2019. Done. This is the first year. Now,
Okay.
we have written this purchase and this purchase. Yes, we have written the entries of the purchase of this and this. Yes. Now, in this year, is there anything else happening? In this financial year, is there anything else happening?
Yes. In this first financial year, what is happening is first we are purchasing a machinery, and
that is okay. I told you already. These two machinery purchases we have written already. No, you have written them.
Okay.
What else? Is there anything happening? No, there is nothing else happening.
No.
Now, what did I tell you? That you have to write the depreciation. You can charge the depreciation in two situations. What are the two situations?
First situation is when we are selling the asset.
So in this year, are we selling the asset? Are we selling any asset in this first year? In this year, no selling is happening, meaning that we will charge the depreciation on what date?
At the end of the year.
End of the year, 31st March 2019, we will charge the depreciation on the two assets. On these two assets, we will charge the depreciation.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. So then go to your working notes. Now prepare in the next page. Write down heading working note. Under that, write down working note 1 and calculate the depreciation in the first year. Write down depreciation in the first year.
Okay.
So how are you calculating the depreciation?
Sir, 2,50,000 into 10 by 100.
So on M1, machine 1, 2,50,000 into 10 by 100.
100.
Very nice. How much will it be?
That that would be some 25,000.
Okay. And the second machinery?
Second machinery, 1 lakh into 10 by 100.
Okay. Will be how much?
Machinery. Sir,
How much will be the value?
value will be just a second. Calculate that. 10,000, sir.
Okay. But you will do an adjustment, no? Why? Because you are purchasing the second machinery on 1st of October. Yes, you are calculating this machinery on 1st of October. So what will be the adjustment that you will make?
By balance brought down.
By balance brought down. No, I'm asking in depreciation, what will be the adjustment?
Okay. By depreciation.
During the calculation of the depreciation on the second machine, will you do any adjustment?
No.
You will have to do the adjustment, no?
Yes.
Because you are purchasing this asset on the 1st of October, meaning that you only have this machine from 1st of October. Yes.
Yes.
Right. Meaning that this asset or this machine is with you from this date only. So your depreciation will be charged from 1st October onwards, right? And not from the beginning. Will we charge the depreciation from the beginning of the year or from 1st October?
From 1st of October.
October. So from 1st of October till 31st of March, we will charge the depreciation. So how many months depreciation will we charge?
October, November, December, January, February. 6 months.
6 months. So then you will charge only 6 months depreciation on the second machinery. Right?
Right.
Okay. So then you will do 6 by 12. Okay. And also note one thing, you have to note one more thing here, that the depreciation is 5% only and not 10%. You told me 10%. It's not 10%. It's just 5%. So change this.
5%.
The depreciation rate is only 5%.
Yeah, 5%. Change it.
Change this, and for the second machinery only 6 months. Note down 6 months.
Yes. 6 months.
Do the calculation by yourself, Rahul.
Yes.
Tell me how much are you getting depreciation for both of them? I have calculated it here.
Yes, sir.
Are you
First,
getting the same values?
yes, sir, same value.
Okay. So then now write it down in your account. In the account, write it down.
Okay. Uh, okay. By depreciation account, that is 6 months. Right. So first machinery is
What will you write?
uh,
What will be the entry? On what date will you write the entry first of all? Tell me.
30, 31st March. No. 1st of October 2018.
Just now I told you, no, that depreciation is charged in two situations. One during sale, second during the end of the year. So then in this
And
situation, there is no
and
sale of asset. So then in this situation, since there is no sale of asset, so the depreciation will be charged at the end of the year on 31st March 2019. Okay.
yes. 29 and 31st March. Yes.
Okay. So pass the entry, write the entry in the account.
Yes. Depreciation account. What is- Mm.
Done.
I'm doing so. Yeah.
So send me a quick photo of whatever you have done up to now.
Now,
Quickly.
sir.
Yeah, quickly. What all you did right now, send me a photo of that.
Mm.
Quickly.
Set.
Yes. Fine. Now what is left? What account is left in this first year? What is left in this first year?
Sir, in this account, what is sell machinery account?
Machinery account. We have already done machinery account. First year, in the first year, what else is left?
P&L account?
P&L. No. When do we have P&L? P&L comes when we sell an asset.
I
When there
don't
is
know.
any sale of asset. So then here only one thing is left, which is the balance carried forward. This year is at the end. No, the entire year is at the end. We have done whatever was to be done. Only one thing is left, which is the balance of the account.
Okay.
So how will you calculate the balance? You will subtract the depreciation
Okay.
from the asset and you will write the account. Right? Is it okay?
Right.
So then
Yes.
now, so you have understood this, right? Now, why did I choose this question and explain this question is because now I have a big doubt that this is the same question that we were discussing right now, and you have done this entire question completely and sent me as homework. How did you do this question if you have so many doubts and you are completely unsure of?
I refer.
But when I asked you if there is any doubt or any issue, you told me that there is no doubt. I asked you so many times. After you submitted this homework, I'll tell you when you have submitted. See the WhatsApp I have marked where you have sent me, and in the next message itself, you can see that I have asked you that is there any doubt or not, and you have told me that no, sir, there is no doubt. If I am having doubt, I will ask you. But then now today, when we are solving the question, you are not sure about any statement in this question. Not even one statement you could tell me clearly. Only one thing you could tell me is that at the beginning we will write bank account 2,50,000 and on 1st October we'll write 1 lakh. Only that you could tell me. After that, you incorrectly told me the 10% on 25. The rate of depreciation also you made a mistake. This 6 months you were not sure about this 6 months. Last, in the end, balance carried down, balance brought down also you are not sure. Then how is it that you have done this entire question completely and everything is correct also? This is the issue here then.
Okay, I think
Tell me. Tell me, Raghav, what is the situation?
Practice, lot of practice required.
No, that is not the situation. The situation is that you have done this entire homework by copying it from some answer that you found online.
Yes.
No, you have to tell me this. This is my assumption. You tell me if it is what is the actual scenario. How did you do this homework? Quickly, Raghav.
Yes.
No, what yes? Yes, what? What have you done? I want to hear it, you telling me what exactly have you done? Or how have you done this homework?
By referring my notebook.
No. You have done, if you had referred your notebook, you would have been able to tell me some of these answers. Have you or have you not solved this entire question by copying it from some other place?
Yes.
No, I want you to repeat this. I want you to say this, that yes, I have done this and this.
Yes, I have done this by copying it in my with reference to my notebook. Yes.
So you have
I
not solved this question. And in your notebook, you have not done it by yourself. In your notebook also, you have
Yes.
done it. Either your teacher has done it in class, or some friend has done it, or you have referred the online solutions. Have you
Not
referred the
online,
online?
sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir. No,
then from
not
some
online
other place,
solution.
then from some other
No,
place you have taken it.
in my notebook only, not online.
Where
I
where in
didn't
your
open.
okay, where in your notebook is this given? Send me a photo of where in your notebook you have referred.
Okay.
Which part of the notebook have you referred to do this question? I want to understand the situation clearly before going ahead.
Yes. 1 second.
Because you told me clearly that there is no doubt, but then when we are solving the question, you are not able to solve even one part of the question. So that means that
okay.
you
I
don't
have
know.
not solved this question before, I think.
So then which part, how did you refer? Which notebook did you refer to solve this question? You just told me na, that I referred my notebook. Which part of the notebook or which question? What did you refer?
Accounts classwork. This notebook.
Haha, but which part of the notebook did you refer to solve this question? You must have taken some. You're telling me that I referred. No, but what did you refer? Is my question here. Which part of the book did you refer? Or notebook did you refer?
Accounts classwork, sir.
No. Which part? Which page did you refer?
This page.
Send me a photo of that page. Send me a photo.
Yes.
What is given in that page?
In the
Send me quickly. Send me a photo first. I want to see what did you refer and how did you solve this. I need to know exactly what you are doing. Only then I will be able to teach you. Otherwise, it's not possible.
Okay, I'm sending the photo. You can. Sent.
Okay. Meaning that you have referred your school notes. In your school,
Yes.
your teacher has done this question. Right?
Right. Yes.
And you have copied that same answer in the homework also. You have not
Yes.
solved it. You have just copied it from there to here. Meaning that this question in your school also you didn't do by yourself. Have you done this photo that you just sent me? Did you solve this question by yourself in the school? No. You have
No,
copied
sir.
this
No.
also from either your friend or somebody, or your teacher has solved it on the board.
Yes, teacher has solved
Meaning that you have basically seen and solved the homework also.
Yes, correct. Yes. Meaning this question I didn't solve before.
In the homework, this photo is from the homework that you have sent me.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Meaning that you have done the entire homework by copy pasting from another place, right?
Right. Correct.
And then you have also told me that there is no doubt in the question.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So that is what I just wanted to understand. Okay.
Yes.
No worries.
Okay.
Okay, fine. We'll meet in the next class, Raghav.
Okay. Sorry.